Welcome friends towards the new video, which is Wordle today. Here is the answer. It's for October 27. Stuck on Wordle number 495. Here are some tips and tricks to help you to find the answer. Hope you have got your costume ready, because it is only 4 days until the Halloween, and less if you are partying, not on a school night, but even if your week has not arrived yet. The new Wordle has, while you track your order like a slasher movie villain. Here we have got some clues and the solution to help you out. And if you just want today's word, you can jump straight to the end of this video for October 27th Wordle solution for puzzle number 495. If you had rather work through it yourself, keep reading for some tips, tricks and clues. So the popularity of Wordle has even reached such heights that the New York Times bought it earlier this year, while the TikTok creators live stream themselves playing it. So the best Wordle starting word, the goal of Wordle is to have fun, and there is no right way to have fun. Just choose whatever starting word feels right to you, and don't let anyone shame you for it. However, if you want to take a more strategic approach, we have a few ideas to help you pick a word that will spark joy. One tip is to select a word that includes at least 2 different vowels, plus some common constants like S, T, R, or L. I hope so that you will like the video, and it is requested to please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.